Introducing the Honeywell MistMate Cool Mist Humidifier. Perfect for small rooms, this compact humidifier quietly releases visible cool mist for relief from dry air discomfort. Its humidity control knob allows you to customize the moisture output, while its filter-free technology and simple-to-clean tank make for easy maintenance. Enjoy relief from dry air discomfort with the Honeywell MistMate Cool Mist Humidifier. For more information or to purchase accessories, visit honeywellpluggedin.com.
ASAKUKI Premium Essential Oil Diffuser. By simply adding waters and drops of essential oil to start your aroma day. The 7 dim and 7 bright colors mood light can also be used as night bed light. Easy operation by pressing the buttons to set timer, light, multi-time modes to schedule at 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, or continuous on for any working time you prefer. Enjoy all the day with fragrance to match using with ASAKUKI essential oils. It fits perfectly for every home, office, or yoga studio and creates a pleasant and therapeutic atmosphere. For a better life, ASAKUKI.
Honeywell Filter-Free Cool Mist Humidifier. The filter-free Cool Mist Humidifier provides soothing, cool mist during cold and flu season, or the air is simply just dry. Ultra-quiet operation, variable output settings.
The purpose of a humidifier is to take dry, stale air and recondition it into fresh, humidified air. Because of this, humidifiers are mostly used during the winter months when humidity levels are at their lowest. Humidifiers consist of several different components, but the most important component is water. Water is added to a reservoir by either a water bottle or another filling method, where it is then absorbed by the wicking filter. Once the wick is fully saturated, the fan pulls outside air into the humidifier using negative air pressure. As the air then passes through the wick, moisture is added and the newly recycled air is pushed back into the room environment. Over time, the amount of dry air in the room will decrease and you'll begin to notice the positive effects of humidification.